Hello friends, I'm back with my new recipe after a long time. Today we are going to make Tambli, a refreshing dish as an accompaniment with rice. This dish will beat the heat. Now let's begin. For the Tambli we need 4 bedgi red chilies, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half cup of grated coconut, half a teaspoon of tamarind paste, half cup curd and salt to taste. To make it a little bit smooth, we should add a little bit of water. We add all the ingredients into the mixer jar. First I add the coconut, 4 chilies, the 6 cloves of garlic, tamarind paste, curd, and salt. We then close the lid and mix it to make it smooth. Remove the jar and add it to the container when it's ready. Your spicy, yummy Tambli is ready. Store it in the fridge for a while and serve it cold with rice. This is no fire cooking. All my young friends can try this at their home with their parents' assistance. Thank you. Have a nice day. And go Goli.